A confrontation broke out between police and members of the Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association in the early hours of the 5th of November 2025 at Mawryngkneng, East Khas Hills District, as the association continued its agitation against cement companies. According to reports, the incident occurred around midnight when the Mctoda members tried to block trucks transporting cement and clinker, which were under heavy police escort from Mawryngkneng Police Station and the Special Operations Team. The blockade was part of the ongoing protest that began on the 27th of October, demanding that cement companies adhere to government-approved transport rates, along with other pending issues. Sources informed that as police attempted to allow the trucks to move, they resorted to lathi charge to disperse the protesters, resulting in a violent confrontation. The situation reportedly intensified when police fired tear gas shells to break up the crowd. Mctoda President Mawryngkneng was detained by the police during the incident, while several members sustained injuries. The association has condemned the use of force, alleging that the police action was excessive against what they described as a peaceful and legitimate protest.
Hey, bola urok style fakshni le. Bola urok sti bola isfa. Hey, Mctoda tu. Alat